Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and the time is 2:46 a.m. in the morning. I just reached late from office and I had an idea that I'll make a video, so I thought before I sleep I'll make a video today and I can upload this at morning, schedule the upload in the morning, so once you guys get up you can have a watch on this particular video. And this video is dedicated only for all my subscribers, okay? And the main reason is to backtest the 9:15 a.m. trick which we discussed. So the main reason is because most of you guys just see one day and decide yes it works, it doesn't work. So we need to analyze it for 1 week to 2 weeks to see whether it will work or not. The reason I'm making you do right now I'm telling you to do this homework from the Smart Trader family, and you will do this for 1 week to 2 weeks. You will see your observation, how it's going on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're gonna track again next week of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You will be tracking and you will be giving the observations that it works on so and so day, it works so and so way, so much it works, so much it doesn't work. So put your observation in the comments after a week or 2 weeks. So at least now, because I'm telling you will do all this observation, you will build the patience to observe the market, and after a few days you guys will automatically do your own observation on different strategies or different stocks. So this is just as a beginners, I'm helping you guys. Only for that reason I'm just trying my best for this. So this is only dedicated to all my subscribers, and if you're not my subscriber, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And this video is based on this particular video, how to pick a stock at 9:15 a.m. intraday trading, simple and risky trick. So kindly watch the video if you're not watched this video. After watching this video, then you will understand what I'm trying to tell in this. So we are going to check, for example, a few days that whether this is working or not. So I'm just initiating this video. I'm not doing every day the same video and telling it's worked and it didn't work. You are going to observe the market and you are going to track all these things, and this is a homework for all the Smart Trader family people. So let's go to NSE India. So I have kept the NSE India pre-open market as per the video. So we have Hind Petro in the chart, and I already have Hind Petro in the chart over here. So I'm not able to record videos for you guys because of my office timing. So I won't be able to record the videos, even question answer videos I'm not able to record. But definitely whenever I get a chance, I will definitely record the video. I'll bunk my gym and I'll record a video once in a while for you guys. And even question answer I'll try to record over a weekend and I'll post it every day. Okay. So don't consider these two trades based on the 9:15 a.m. strategy. This is totally different trades, different time. So don't consider these two trades. This is a different trade which I did totally a different way. And I'm just showing you the chart right here. And 17th. Okay, where is the chart? Looks like Zerodha's chart is gone after 17. Till now it was good. Anyways, let's see in money control. I mean, this goes crisscross, right? Let me use my Upstock account itself. I had this in my radar here itself, so I'll just zoom over here. Okay, this is a 17 chart. This is the 15 minutes candle. If you see, I have just put 15 minutes candle here, and this is the first candle. So after the first candle, either top or down, so the stock has broken up and it has given minimum of 0.3%. The stock has gone way higher for the day, but we are just talking about the 0.3% after the 15 minutes candle. So 17 July, yes, it worked. Done. Tick. So this is how you are going to backtest your 9:15 a.m. trick. Backtest it for 2 weeks. Take your observations, put in the comments after your observations. Like this, I want you to do a lot of observation on a lot of stocks and a lot of strategies. And once you do this observation, automatically look at the confidence you get, and you will tell me automatically saying that now I am more confident, I'm not scared to trade in stock market. So hope this homework, you like this type of homeworks. If you like such homeworks, please do hit that like and subscribe button and put in your comments, so that when I read your comments out in the question answer videos, I will get to know that you guys are liking such type of homeworks. Then I will give you more of such homework so that you can practice and become a better trader tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Trade safe. Take care. Bye bye.